Okay, today I'm here at Cabrilla at Ponte Vista. This is in San Pedro. I'm at Meritage Homes and residence number 3. This is a 1800 plus square feet house, 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath with 2 car garage attached. Hi there, I'm going to showcase 4 houses at Cabrilla in Ponte Vista in San Pedro. These 4 units, 4 houses are built by Meritage Homes. I'm going to showcase all these 4 units today. So you have some sitting area, enclosed area, brick walls throughout. As you enter the unit, okay, you have your garage, which is locked, but this is your garage. And on your right, you have 1 bedroom, which comes with reach-through closet and a full bath. And as you go upstairs, you have a nice sized kitchen island, an open space. This area is your dining area, and then you have your living area. You can put your TVs on this wall, but if you see from this angle, you have your kitchen, your fridge, and a nice size buffet table here. You have multiple uses. If you have more guests, you can use that, or on daily purpose, you can put all your appliances here. Then you have your balcony, still in construction. You can see a lot of stuff here, but end to end, you have a big size balcony. You can do a whole lot here. And on the other side of the kitchen, you have your pantry and your bathroom. This is your pantry with a commode and a sink. And this is your kind of walk-in, kind of reach-through kitchen. You can put your stuff here. So it's a nice size storage. Okay, so now we'll go upstairs. We saw 1 bedroom downstairs, then the living area, and now we come up. This is your laundry up here as you enter, and then you have the rest of the bedrooms on left and right. One thing I've realized, they have done amazing job when it comes to insulating the house and roof and all these areas. They really have put some really good stuff here. But anyway, let's talk about the house. Okay, so your master is on your right. Your bathroom's on your left here, and nice size bathroom again, nice size shower. That's a commode right there, and you have a small Romeo and Juliet style, a little bigger than that, but a Romeo and Juliet style balcony here, and then your walk-in closet. Okay, now let's go to the next bedroom. This is bedroom number 3 and 4. So number 3 is here, number 4 next to it, and you have a bathroom for each of them here. This is a nice size bathroom too, with a tub and a shower. Okay, let's see. So you walk in here, all these units have got a lot of windows around, so really bright and nice, especially the corner ones. Then you come here, you have another nice size bedroom, which has got a reach-through closet. So 4 units in total. Starting point is about 1754 square feet, anywhere from 3 bedroom to 4 bedroom. Call me if you have any questions. Thank you.